So this spring, I'm gonna do an entire like yard makeover video of everything that we're going to be doing because this back fence is coming down. We actually have a huge, beautiful yard, and when we moved in, it was this fence was put here, and it's been great for the dogs, but I don't need it the way that it is, so we're gonna redo all that. So can't wait to show you guys just how awesome this space is gonna be. This has just been like a junk fest. So we're gonna empty all this out into the dumpster and tear the deck down. So I thought I'd get some good before shots of it, because it's gonna look very different out here when we're done. All right, I feel like to appreciate where we are today, we kind of have to do our little walk down memory lane and kind of see the whole process of the backyard. It is quite the ordeal from the time that we tore down the deck and started clearing out the land. It has been quite the adventure. It's been so fascinating to see how it's all come together when we built Jason's sunroom and just kind of the transformation that the yard has made. It's been a little sad because I really did love our yard before. It was just very woodsy and green and lush. But it is getting back that way. You'll see as we kind of come into everything. But I do want to say that for the beginning part of this video, this is like last summer and fall. And then I'll show you here as we come into the springtime this year of the progress that we've made so far. So this was early spring. And as you can see, we have no leaves on the trees, and Jason is just preparing to put grass seed down, but this ground was quite a mess, so we had to call in the big guns. Luckily, living here in Kansas, we have access to farmers and different resources to help us get this ground just a little bit more prepared to get the grass planted. This was a big, big day. We have had this fence the entire time that we have lived in this house, and we have lived in this house this year in 2023, 20 years. And so I was really nervous about taking out this back fence, but at the same time, we were super excited to just see our open land down there. There's a nice little pond back there, and it was pretty exciting just to watch the progress. We do have a new fence that will be coming, but it will not go across the back of the yard like this. It will go down the sides and we'll have the whole yard. When we tore down the deck, we lost our area underneath that Jason stored his tractor, and we knew that we needed something. Look at my son-in-law. He is so sweet. He came over to help us prepare this ground to get it ready for a shed that we bought that was going to be delivered. And it turned into a lot more than we realized. Luckily, Jason's sweet friends came over, and our good friend Bob, who is a bricklayer, helped us get this wall built to where we could level off this land and get the gravel poured in, and then that way we had a nice, flat, smooth, solid surface for the delivery, which, whoa, wait till you see that in a minute. I was so surprised that they were able to get this 20-foot long building that you're about to see. It's 12 feet wide by 20 feet long, and they were able to get it down through my yard, through the trees, and delivered onto the site that we had prepared. Jason worked very hard to get this prepared, and I can't wait to get it all complete. If you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. How fun is that? I think watching the process was so fascinating, and we got it back up in there and it ended up fitting so perfectly, and I know Jason's going to be so excited. Well, he finally has a place for his tractor, and I think he's really loving it. Now, as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of grass. It is growing in. That side of the yard is definitely coming in quicker because it gets more sun, but before long, we're finally going to have a backyard full of grass again. And next, we moved on here, and Jason is hanging my day bed that is going to be part of the porch decor. And so that'll be coming up in a video real soon where I show you everything that I use for decorating out here, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It sure is going to be comfy, the perfect reading spot. Down here checking out Jason's shop. He's getting it all moved in, got a lot of organizing to do. I think it's gonna be a really great space to have all like his lawnmower, weed eater, tools, different things like that down here. It's gonna really help us out. I feel like this was a really fun walk down memory lane, and we kind of got to go through the whole construction process, and now we're gonna get to the fun part. We're gonna get to the aesthetics, and we're gonna be getting a new fence, we're gonna be landscaping, decorating the patio, all the good stuff. I hope you guys are having fun following along. Before long, you're gonna get to see the front of the house, and you're gonna get to see the entire makeover that we've done there, where we have painted and redone lots of fun things. So it's really fun sharing this stuff with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to like this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.